In this video, I will show you how to send cash on Cash App. First of all, open the Cash App application on your device. Once you are inside, you will see a prominent field on the screen where you can enter the amount you wish to send. Carefully type in the amount. For example, if you want to send $30, then enter 30 in the field. Before proceeding, double check the amount to ensure accuracy. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen where you will find the Pay button. Tap on it to continue. Now it's time to select the recipient. In the field labeled as To, enter the recipient's Cash App username, phone number, or email address. Just make sure that it's linked to their Cash App account. Double check the details to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Below that, you will find the For field. This is optional, but you can use it to add a note or details about the transaction, which can be helpful for record keeping. After that, you will need to choose a payment method in the Payment Source field. Cash App provides two main options. The first option is Cash App Balance. Select it if you already have funds in your Cash App account. The second way is to link your bank account or debit card. If you don't have enough funds in Cash App or prefer any other source, select Link Debit Card to make the payment directly from your bank account or card. Just ensure there are sufficient funds to complete the transaction. Once you have chosen your payment method, tap on the Pay button at the top right corner of the screen. For security purposes, Cash App may require additional verification, such as entering your password. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After verification, your payment will be processed instantly, and you will receive a confirmation message confirming the transaction's success. Cash App will also provide a receipt which you can review in your payment history. And this is how you can send cash on Cash App.